So today visiting another temple. I thought I'll start making a video series. Here goes the first one. The way is through a narrow road and in the middle of the jungle, as we have to dodge cars here with limited space. Well, the road seems very interesting. There are a lot of greenery and fields around. I do think I'm going to have a nice adventure. In the meantime, hold on to your seats. This is the rural part of Himachal most people don't get to see, and I really like to explore and find out more. Anyways, I'm going to go to a side and allow a car to pass me. Now you can enjoy the almost ripe, you can see it, gehu, kanak or wheat, whatever you like to say it or call it. Very picturesque views around, so a little bit of an extended video. The green fields and some houses in the midst. It was a bit rainy in the earlier part of the day, and now the weather seems to be clearing up. That makes for good viewing, good light, and perhaps less strenuous or problematic driving. Anyways, the doggy makes an appearance, and yeah, a sacred old banyan tree with the temple. We just stopped for a minute to admire the nature, and yeah, lovely views. Should continue now. It's probably getting a little light. To go on and on, can't stop here. Apparently there's a sharp U-turn coming up ahead. Might have to stop. Oh, some lovely roses. And the sunlight just creeps in. Yeah, seems like a nice decision so far to come out today. So I take the U-turn. Some lovely views again. I'm tempted to stop after every 50 meters or so. Oh, the littering, unfortunately. Yeah, very, very beautiful place. As we head to the U-turn. Some very nice twisties in this road. I thought I'll kind of share it with you. Hopefully I can focus as well on driving while I'm doing that. Some more roses. I think people are quite fond of. It looks like some other flower actually. Quite bright and red like the roses, but it's some other flower. Apologies, I didn't stop to take a picture. As we see another car approaches. Quite a lovely road so far. Let's hope it continues this way. Alright, onwards and forwards. This road keeps on throwing even more punctures and surprises, just like the silent car. Ooh, la la. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. If you do, please like and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, even if you don't, you should try to visit the place. Seems like quite fun. One more twisty. Woohoo! Literally very, very picturesque and lovely place to be. Doggies are as well enjoying. Yep. I'll stop this section here. We'll continue soon. Bye. This stretch reminds me a bit of UK from last year. Oh, actually 2024. It's just that I'm not there. And also it's not autumn. And that Nexon as yet doesn't sell in the UK. However, that could change with global warming and data exports. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this bit, and till the next time, which will follow very soon. Bye bye. Mid-journey halt. We've encountered a lotus pond. I don't think the lotuses are here at the moment. Well, you can still see. Interesting place. Yes, a bit dirty. As usual, Indians don't take care of their heritage. So not bad at all. Shall continue back again soon. The highway is opened up. Got a better road now. Sure how long I'll last though. And quite a picturesque and farming centric view here. Yeah, quite a nice setting for a Sunday afternoon drive. I'm sure people are going to appreciate it once they're here, but well, it takes some effort to get out and about. The road has narrowed again, and there are farm lands on both sides of the road. So yeah, quite a picturesque view. Short video just to add to what we are making. Another mid-journey break, because I had to show you this. Well, incredible. India always has some punches to throw even when you least expect it. Temple in water, lovely reflections. In case you want to do boating, an abandoned boat. Ta-da! What more you can want. Well, the greenery and the beautiful views continue. So we exit Jungala, where there was a temple by the pond, and some doggies. This guy's got a problem with his right foot. I hope no car has run over, but can't say for sure. So it's about 3.5 kilometers. Should reach there soon. The bright espresso arrives. A lot of other cars as well. So I do believe this road is frequently frequented by the locals. Anyways, we'll stop this one over here and continue forwards and onwards. And this area is through the forest, the final stretch. So yeah, pretty special. Certainly would like to bring others as well over here, if only they're interested. But yeah, quite a scenic and picturesque drive. I think you've got the rooster I did. We'll check later if the camera did as well. Some very, very green and picturesque views. A little above vegetation, I guess. So apologies, not vegetation but settlement. Yeah, it's a little above. Beautiful sceneries and the beautiful trees, the forest area. Probably have to stop the video somewhere, since I guess the memory is running low. Oh god, but this is some lovely views. I think there's a significant U-turn. Oop. So yeah, lovely place to be, and apologies for just saying a lot of things which don't make a lot of meaning. Should stop the video here, I guess. Yeah, well, this pine trees, canopy like, road covered, whatever you want to say it, forced me to make another video. Well, you can see how brilliant and beautiful it looks. Anyways, I'll try to cut it short and not increase your misery. Well, we have reached. Before I climb the top, just want to see some lovely views from here. In case you can't still see, I'll have to zoom in a bit. I think now the picture will be clearer. Yep. I'll go up to 6x zoom. Let's see. Yep. That should be perhaps Zwaladars. I'm not 100% sure. That is definitely in Rasan. And yeah, lovely views. We reached, and that's the way forward. Shall move there now. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.
तो महाराज किसने देख लिया? आज कुत्ती बुआ ने देखा कि मेरी जो पौत बहू है उसकी रक्षा भगवान ने स्वयं की है और उनके चरणों में गिर गई कि आप तो क्या है, भगवान है। अरे बुआ क्या कहती है, मैं कैसे भगवान हूँ, मैं आपके भाई का मित्र हूँ।
We'll find a look at Shri Badol Mata temple. Well, the temple is there, but just want to show you the views of the vicinity, especially after the rain. The mountain air is even cleaner and clearer than usual. Some visitors here. To find where it is. Anyways, shall get to the zoom. To show you stuff. And there is the mountains from Kulu. The one in the center, the tallest one. Mount Indrasan, little to our left should be the Dauladar range at the end. Some birds flying, and yeah, seems like quite a nice place to be. I shall now close the video with the view of Indrasan. 6221 meters. And I think the one which is slightly to the right, pointy one, should be Ali Ratni Tibba. Well, I'm not 100% sure. And a supplementary video to show you a rock, and the doggo was chilling on top of the rock. Anyways, that should be the end of it.